Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my real estate property. I am right here at one of my properties. I was here I think the last time I think about a month ago, and I talked to you guys about this house right here, this one right here, and I promised you guys that I was going to be taking you guys in here to show you guys when I'm renovating it, but I wasn't able to do that due to the Christmas and the holiday season. I wasn't able to do that. But right now the house has been rented out. Right now it's been rented out, and I think there are some things in here in the garage, so I'm not gonna go in there. So the house has been rented out. I'm sorry, I'm just going all over the place. I was able to fix it up during the holiday season, and this house has been rented out to my awesome tenants. They are really nice people. They are very young. They are a very young couple, and so here is the house. So I can't take you guys in there right now, being that someone lives there and is no longer available for me to just go in there. So this house, I bought it 2 years ago, and I paid cash for this house. And it's been rented out right now for $800 a month. They paid a down payment, and they also paid the first month rent. Every money that is coming from this house right now is completely free, because I don't have to pay for a mortgage or anything like that. And yeah, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm very happy because this one is rented out, and I will be taking you guys to another of my property that I just purchased, and I will be showing you guys that one. I will be going inside and showing you guys the renovations and all of the things that I'm having to get done in that house, so you guys should look forward to that video. This is my first video for the year, and I think I'll be making more videos. I'll be making more appearance here on YouTube because my kids are back to school, and during January my business that I run is usually slow, so I'll be making more videos, so you guys should be looking forward to that. If you want me to take you guys to that house and show you guys the renovations, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. I know I didn't say much in this video, but I just wanted to bring you guys with me. So this house right here is all completely paid for. I paid cash for it. If you guys can see, that's the garage in the back, and that's the house right there. Brand new windows. I put in brand new windows, brand new doors, new flooring. The basement was completely done. Everything in the house is brand new, and I'm really happy for what I've done in this house. I feel like the money that I put in there is well worth it, because I'll be getting the return back. So $850 in my pocket every month. Hey, you can't beat that. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more real estate videos like this, and I'll be more than happy to be making those, and I'll be making those, of course. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.